Hey 30-minute marketers! In today's quick video, we're going to answer the question how to fix incorrect thumbnail issues in GroovePages. Now what do I mean? So you're on Facebook, you have a Groove page, you want to share that Groove page, and this is what you see. No image or the wrong image, and you want to know how to fix it. So we're going to pop over to GrooveFunnels and we're going to go inside of GroovePages and fix this right now. So here we are inside of GrooveFunnels. We're going to pop inside of GroovePages. And we're going to edit that. This is the site right here. We're going to go ahead and click Open Editor. That's going to open up our Groove page. This is our page that we're sharing out right here. Of course, we're going to go under Pages. So here's the page that we're going to edit, the index page. We're going to go ahead and select Edit Settings. You're going to see the information here. We're going to scroll down. Here's what we're looking for. Open Graph Social Share Settings. OG image is blank. We're going to choose an image. Of course, we can choose whatever image we want. Let's just go ahead and go with this cat right here and go ahead and select that image. That image is now going to show up as the OG image. We're going to go ahead and we are going to hit the check mark and save that and update that setting. Going to come over to Publish, drop down that menu. You can see here's our URL that we are publishing that on. So we're going to go ahead and select Publish. That's going to save and publish our page. That content has been saved. Changes usually go live within a few minutes, but may take longer. So let's take that URL right there and copy it again into our buffer just so we have it. And let's pop over to a helpful tool called Facebook for Developers, and this is the Sharing Debugger. We're going to pop that URL in right there, and we're going to click Debug. You can see right there that it needs to be scraped again because it is still not showing up, but we did change the setting, and we're expecting to see a cat right here under link preview. So we'll scrape that again. Scrape it one more time. Scrape it yet again. And one more time. There we go. Now we have a link preview of our cat for our page, for our URL that we created. Of course, it will look the same when we share it on Facebook, but let's just go back and make sure that it is working when we share our post on Facebook so we get this cat thumbnail on our page. So here we are back on Facebook. Of course, to start from a new fresh page, we'll go ahead and reload that. So we clear that out of the buffer there. And what we're going to do here is paste in that URL, and we're going to see a cat as soon as we paste it in here. Now we're just going to share that, and when we paste it in, what's going to happen is it's going to fetch the preview, and there's our cat. So again, the settings in GroovePages is under Pages. The page that you're going to share where the URL is, Edit Settings, scroll down, and you are looking for Open Graph Social Share Settings, OG image, choose that image, update, republish, and you're good to go. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. 30-minute timer here on the end screen. Click that timer, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, just like the videos you see here on the end screen. Click those, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.